This is Dennis Daly with L. David Mark's 101 Epic Events That Shaped Human History. Swedes lose power. Back in a moment. The victory of the improved army of Russian Tsar Peter the Great over the Swedes in the Battle of Poltava in 1709 in the Great Northern War marked the decline of Sweden as a great power in Northern Europe. A century earlier, following the Peace of Westphalia, the Swedish Empire had emerged under the leadership of King Gustavus Adolphus to become the third largest European nation, surpassed only by Spain and Russia, with twice as much territory as in modern times. After his victory, Peter the Great transforms the feudal Tsardom of Russia into the 3 billion-acre Russian Empire, supplanting Sweden as a major European power. Russia Rises, another of L. David Mark's 101 Epic Events That Changed History. I'm Dennis Daly.